Luke Newcomer with the Newcomer Group, or exceeding your expectation is our standard. We're in front of our newest listing. We're giving you a private property tour. We're in San Salito, dead end street with a cul-de-sac. The address is 167 Codman. Zip code is 32084. Let's go check it out. The bells are chiming. It's time to find you a home. All right, guys, we're now inside. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. When you walk in right off to the left, you've got a formal dining area. Now, as much as I love the formal dining area, I would probably keep it like this, but I know a lot of people are choosing to work from home, virtual school. This is a great utilization of the space. Half bathroom off to my left, and then walking straight out, because all the bedrooms are on that second floor, it's all open living. You've got beautiful granite countertops, tons of space, stainless steel appliances in the kitchen so you can be cooking, doing the dishes, all while hanging out with the family, hosting parties. Really great flow to the outside. In fact, we're going to take you outside before we go upstairs. But huge pantry space. I mean, literally you can walk in here. They got a wine fridge. Maybe that comes with the house with the right offer. Come all the way back here just kind of for reference, because this is really great space. The nice thing is there's no carpet in this house. It's the same flooring all throughout. So open living concept when you walk through. The garage we passed on the way in. Now, before we take you upstairs and show you all the bedrooms, let's go check out the back of this house, because this home just really kind of exudes that Zen feel, especially coming in through the front with the chimes. Out back, no grass to cut. Let's go look. All right, so we're gonna step outside, fully fenced in backyard. Lots of privacy back here. All pavers, you got the covered pergola. So, you know, make your cocktails, come out here. You've got the grill set up. All coquina shell going out to the fireplace. And if you don't want to get your feet in the shells, especially if you're, you know, having happy hour, you come straight through here. You've got a nice pavered walkway all the way to the jacuzzi. Guys, this outdoor space is a total oasis. It's everything you want with Florida living. You got the palm trees, nice vegetation, easy maintenance. I love the outdoor space. I think it's so important in a Florida home. Big selling feature in my opinion. So let's go back inside. We're gonna take you to the second floor and show you the rest of the bedrooms. All right, guys, we're now on the second floor. Again, same flooring throughout. 4 bedrooms up here. All 3 bedrooms off to my right. Master has its own wing. Behind this door, you've got a really big laundry room. It's kind of close to all the bedrooms. So we're gonna go straight back. I'm gonna show you the first full bathroom. You've got a nice big linen closet in here for storage. Very functional bathroom. Double vanity, toilet, shower. It's a good setup. Hopefully we can get a clip of that. We've got bedroom 1 of 4. All the bedrooms are great sizes in here, which I totally love. And you can see the furniture in here for reference. Ample closet space in every bedroom. You've got bedroom number 2 of 4. We can get a clip of that. And then bedroom 3 of 4, you can see they've got it set up as a home office, but I mean, empty nesters, tons of room for the kids that are out of town and the grandkids, that growing family. They've got their own wing of the house. Then we're gonna take you into the master bedroom, which I absolutely love. Tons of square footage, tons of space. Really thoughtful floor plan, as you can see throughout this tour. I'm gonna stand back here for reference and then come towards you. And this master is so big, I think it's worth getting a clip of. I mean, you could put some bunk beds in here if you wanted to. And then the ensuite, again, you've got the double vanity. They did really nice tile work in here. You got the big jacuzzi tub, stand-up shower, water closet, linen, and then even more space in here. They actually have it kind of set up as like a little makeup room, but in the reality, you can make this even more space, okay? So you saw the front, saw the main floor, all open living. The outdoor setup is incredible. You got 4 bedrooms up here, folks. The address is 167 Codman. You gotta check this out. It's very rare to find this 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath floor plan. It's one of a kind, very well maintained. contact my team today. Again, my name is Luke Newcomer with the Newcomer Group, where exceeding your expectation is our standard. Thanks for joining. We'll see you soon.